Hello, this is Retekess TD166 wireless paging system for warehouse, manufacturing hubs, and logistics. Here, as you can see, this keypad, you can send numbers or the preset message to the pager. Okay, this first one pager is number 8. You can look on the screen the message as following. Okay, I will show you how to code this pager with preset message. The first, you will press 8 and enter. Okay, here it will shows enter message. You can send the number to the pager as like 1, 2, 3, and we press send. Okay, here you can see the pager got the signal and the message 1, 2, 3. Please pay attention that when you use keypad, you can only send number, and when you use PC software, you can send text message up to 56 characters. Okay, now here I will show you how to stop the prompt mode. Yes, we press 8 and send. Here it will have flashing lights, vibrate, and beeps. We press the mute button to stop it, or you can just put it back to the charging base to stop it. Now you can see if you put it back to charging base, it will also shows charging on the screen. Here I will show you how to close them at the same time. To turn off these pagers, press 0 and send. Okay, here you can see the lights is flashing. It means it is on charging, but the screen is closed. Now here is so much for today. If you interested in TD166 warehouse paging system, please contact us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.